My dear learners, including age group 6 years to the age group of grandfathers, age is just a number. Today I'll be giving you solutions to the exercise problems that I had given you in my previous video. So let us start. The link for the code will be given in the description box. So do check it out. So guys, let us solve the first problem statement. Guys, I'll be writing the code row by row, okay? Not column wise. That is, I'll write first the code for this row, okay, and then for this row and then for this row, not column wise, right? Now guys, you can see there's some space here before physics, okay, so we can use a tab space here, right? Similarly, we are having spaces between the subject names and the vertical bars, right? So similarly, we can use tab spaces here also. One more thing to note here guys is that there's some space between the rows, right? And we can show these spaces by leaving a line guys, right? So guys, let us write the code. Okay, I write print, and now I told you there's some space here, and we are using tab space. So slash t is the escape sequence for tab. Then I write physics. Okay, this one row I'm doing, right? And then there's again a space, right? And then the vertical bar, this one, right? And then again space, right? And then chemistry. Then again guys, you can see here is some space, then vertical bar and then space. So again tab space, vertical bar, again space, and then now biology, right? And now let us see what is the outcome. Okay guys, you can see the space here is not quite good, okay, between physics and this vertical bar. Okay, so we can give another tab space here, right? Slash t, and now let us check the output. Now it's pretty good guys. Right now let us leave a line, okay, so that it looks organized. You can also use new line escape sequence slash n. Let us use it only. And now for this row, okay, now we are having first John, then tab space, okay, then 28. Okay, now guys, you can see here we can use two tab spaces slash t slash then 24. Then again we can use two tab spaces, then 20. Right now let us see. Okay, but the alignment is not good guys, right? It is not getting aligned. Proper alignment is not here, as you can see. So what I can do is I can give some space, right? Okay, now okay, 28 is coming in alignment with physics, right? But the space between 28, 24 and 24 and 20 is not good. Okay, so I'll use another tab space, right, between 28 and 24 and 24 and 20, right? So we are using three tab spaces. Now let us see. Okay, now it's coming, but some more spaces are required for 24 and 20. Okay, so I'll manually type the space. Uh, you see here guys, we can give one more space for 24. Um, okay, another space for 20, right? Yeah, now it's perfectly fine. If you see the alignment, it's perfectly fine. Right now, the same goes on for the other two rows. So I will copy paste this. Oh, one thing I forgot, guys, slash n, right? And now let me copy it. Copy, paste, paste. Okay, now just change the names. First is Jack. Okay, this is what? Dick. Now the numbers 25, 21 and 18. and here 30, 23, and then 19. Right, now let us check the output. Wow, see, it's amazing. Guys, you can see we are getting the same output. Okay, the alignment, it's all, everything is in a proper alignment, and this is the solution for this problem statement, guys. Okay, your solution can be a bit different. Okay, some people may try to give manually give some space rather than using tabs, but guys, I would suggest you to use escape sequences, right? That is the escape sequences for tab, right? So guys, let us solve the next problem statement. There are two methods to solve this problem statement, guys. The first method is based on modulo operation, guys. In this method, guys, we will take input in a variable, let us say x, and then do modulo 10, and this will give us the digit at the ones place, right? So let us write the code, guys. So let us take a variable x, okay, and now please give a two-digit integer. Right now, directly I'm giving the output. The digit at the ones place is x modulo 10, right? X modulo 10. And now I will print it. Let us check whether it works or not. Let us say 34, and now you can see it's 4. Guys, you know modulo operation gives us the remainder, right? So any two-digit integer you will take, it will give you the digit at the ones place, because the digit at the ones place is actually the remainder, right? Now guys, let us see the next method. Guys, for the next method, first I will write the code and then I will explain you, right? So I will copy paste some code. I'm taking x only, and now I create a variable tens, typecasting x divided by 10 multiplied by 10, right? And now ones equals to x minus 10, print. Okay, so this is the code. Let us check it. Right, this works perfectly fine. So guys, let us understand the working of this method. So first I'm creating a variable x, okay, and taking the input, let us say 23, right? Then I'm creating a variable tens, right? And in this variable, now what I'm doing, I'm taking the place value of the digit at the tens place. Now here I'm having 23, so the place value of 2 is what, 20, right? And then guys, I'm creating a variable once, okay, and in it what I'm doing, I'm subtracting this tens from x, right? So I'm doing 23 minus 20, and this is giving me 3, the digit at the ones place, right? So my logic is that first take the input and then take the place value of the digit at the tens place, right? And then subtract it from x, and you will get the answer, right? Now guys, let us see what is happening here, right? So first what I'm doing, I'm doing x by 10. Okay, so this is giving me something in points, like it is giving me 2.3, right? I was having 23. Now what I want, I only want 2, right? So what I can do, I can either use float division or I can do typecasting. So what I did typecasting, right? I typecasted it into int, I get 2, and now I have to make it 20, so I multiply it by 10. Okay, you can use float division instead of this typecasting, right? And this will also work here, right? So this is the logic behind this method, guys. Now guys, let us solve the final problem. So this is the easiest one, guys, and most of you must have done it. So what we have to do, we have to take two numbers, positive integers, and then add them in this way, right? So what I will do, first let me add a print statement, enter two positive integers, right? And now I will take input in x and y, right? And now print x comma plus comma y is, right now I will write just x plus y. Okay, so let us try it out. You can see it's working perfectly, right? Right, the same example that I had given in the question. So guys, what is happening in this process? I am creating two variables. Okay, I'm taking the inputs in x and y. Okay, and you know the inputs are by default taken as string type, right? And when you try to add two strings, what happens? They get joined or merged, right? They get combined. Okay, so what I do, I first ask the user to give some integers. Okay, so the user will give me some integers, and then I take x and y, and then I just do x plus y. That's it, right? So they get joined. Now guys, I am giving you another problem statement as homework. I will be providing the solution for this problem statement in the comment section of my next video, right? So you have to solve it yourself. Right now, the problem statement is take any two numbers, two-digit positive integers, remember, as input from the user, multiply the numbers in this way. Now, what is the way? Let us say I take 23 and 56. This is an example, guys, remember. So what you have to do, you have to multiply first 3 by 5, right? 3 into 5 and then 2 into 6, and then you have to sum them up, and whatever the result comes is the final product. One hint, guys, this problem is closely related to this problem, right? Before ending this video, let me tell you guys that I will provide all the solutions for these problem statements that we solved today in the description box, so do check it out. पूरा इंडिया पढ़ेगा डेटा साइंस. Ready for my next video? So goodbye and namaskar. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon.